welcome back to the channel. My name is Sophia. If this is your first time on my channel, you're highly welcome back, all my amazing subscribers. So today I have a Costco haul for you, Costco food grocery shopping haul. Okay, so what I have for you today is what? Today is 16th December 2023. Okay, so let me show you guys what I bought from Costco. I'll tell you guys the prices I bought them. Okay, and it's not a lot, but I will show you guys in case you want to go to Costco and buy for yourself. I ordered this online, so this is Costco online shopping. Okay guys, so let's dive right into this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it. Alright guys, so this is everything that I bought from Costco. So you guys can see it's not a lot. I might have my phone there because I want to show you guys the price of everything. That's why I have my phone there. Remember I said it's online. I bought it online. So this is Costco online grocery shopping, food shopping. Okay, so yeah, it's not a lot as you guys can see. Okay, so everything cost me £136 with delivery, of course. With delivery, don't know if you guys can see it there. £136.44p. Okay guys, so I'm going to start from the top of the receipt. Just trying to scroll. Yeah. First thing here is the parchment paper. So pardon my sink, I put everything on top of my sink, my kitchen counter. So the parchment paper is £6.19. I've got just one because we got one already plus opened one. So this one will make it 3 that we have. So I got just one. And then I got this biscuit again. I got it in my other Costco haul. It's a nice biscuit, it looks like. We are going to open it soon. I decided to buy a second one. Okay, so the second one, this is the second one, and it's £18.99. £18.99. I don't know if it's gonna focus so you guys can see it there. Yeah, £18.99. And then the next thing I bought is this, my waffles. I bought it last time. I swear it's £5.99 for 2. It's very nice. I tried last time. I like it. So it's £5.99 for 2. And then I got some bean bag. The bean bag is £7.39, but there was a discount of £1.20 off. So that would be £6.19p, because there was a £1.20 off. So that's the bean bag. There is a 150. It's upside down. There. 150 bean bag, tie bean liner. And then the next thing we have is the Dove Deeply Moisturizing Body Wash, £12.49. So I got this Dove. Let me show you guys properly. So the Dove is here. See if I can move this one on top so you guys can see it. Should I even open it out? I've forgotten that it has another wrap inside already. I'm supposed to have opened it out, but I hope you guys can see it. There's 6 of them. It's for the children. It's for my kids. So there's 6 of them. It's shower something, shower gel, how do you call it now? Shower soap. Yeah, body wash. Okay. So it's £12.49 for the 6 of them. This is 450 ml. Okay. So the next thing I got is this bowl noodles. I bought it last time in my other Costco. No, not the other. There's a Costco I did some time back, or maybe I didn't even do it. I bought this, but it's finished. So I bought another one. There's 12 in there. Okay, I got this for $9.99. Okay, it's a bowl, $9.99. I got just that one. And then the next thing I got is this Belvita biscuit. It's 2 in the pack. I'm sure you guys must have seen it in my other Costco haul. It's 2 in the pack, Belvita. So this one is £6.49 for the 2 like this. It's a portion. Okay, and then the next thing I bought is garlic, because it's like as if I can't find garlic sometimes. So I decided to buy this massive Costco meat California garlic. The garlic is £8.49. I got just one. I was going to buy two, but I said because I've never bought it before, let me just buy one and see how it is before I decide to get more. So I got one for £8.49. Then the next thing is my Ferrero Rocher, which I haven't bought for so long. I used to like this chocolate a lot before they increased the price ridiculously. You know, the price of this chocolate when it newly came out, then it was a bit affordable, but now it's not overly pricey, but I just think it's a bit too much for a chocolate. That's my own opinion. But anyway, I bought this. This is a big one. How many is even in there? I think there's 48. So I bought it for myself as a Christmas gift to myself, because I bought my kids other stuff. I didn't buy anything for myself. So I bought this, which I know that the kids are going to help me to eat it. That's for sure. They are going to eat out of it. That one is sure. So I bought this Ferrero Rocher for £14.49, but they gave me a discount of £2.60 off. So I can't do any mathematics now. So £14.49 minus £2.60. So that should be like £12 or £11 something. Yeah, £11 something. And then the next is I got this. I bought this in my last haul, in my last Costco haul. Galaxy instant hot chocolate, just hard water. Okay, I got just one because I think we still got a bit left. $5.99, just one. And then I got this. Where is it? French baguette that you have to put in the oven yourself. I got just one roll this time around because I think we still got a bit more in the freezer. I got just one. Okay, French baguette. Okay, what is the price? $3.99. So I got just that one. Next time I'll buy more. So it's $3.99. And then the next thing is this bathroom cleaner. I used to like Silly Bang, but for some reasons I've gone off Silly Bang because I think they reduced the strength. Although it's okay, but I think it doesn't do the job the way I want. So now I'm using this one. And I like buying it from Costco because it's cheaper in Costco. If you have to buy this big one in the store, it's almost £5 or £5. And this 3 in Costco is £10.99. And one in the shop is nearly £5. Just a little bit to be £5 for one. You can imagine 3 in Costco for £10.99. Okay, so if I'm to buy it in the shop, that would be £15 almost. So there's 3 there for £10.99. And then I was going to get Vanish. Then I saw this Astonish. This is new. I saw this Astonish fabric stain remover, colors and white. Okay, non-bio. So I said, okay, let me get this one rather than the Vanish one, because this one was a bit more cheaper, and I think it's new. I've not seen it before anyway, so I assume it's new. It's 3 kilo. Okay, it's £9.19. I got just one. It looks very much like can't even open it. It looks very much like the Vanish. That's how it looks like inside. And then the next thing is I got my spray, because on my last Costco haul they didn't bring this spray, but they refunded me. They say it was out of stock, but now it's in stock because it's cheaper in Costco. You know, one of this is £2.50 most of the time. Sometimes it's even £3, depends on where you're buying it from. And I really wanted to buy it from Costco, so this is 4. The 4 of them is £7.59. Imagine one is £2.50. Can you see it's more cheaper in Costco? Yeah, it's way more cheaper in Costco. Because if I'm to buy it in the shop, sometimes they do 3 for £6 in the shop, and it's still not adding up. So to me, it's cheaper in Costco, so you can buy it in Costco. Okay, this look like this festive one that I picked. Spiced apple. Yeah, I have this in my bathroom already. I bought one from Iceland, I think, and it smells nice. Okay, so £7.59. And then the next thing I bought is this barbecue Santa Maria smoky barbecue spice mixed. I bought this because I want to try it on jollof rice. I want to see if it will give the jollof rice a unique taste. So Nigeria jollof rice, that's why I bought this. I actually want to use it for jollof rice, Christmas jollof rice, smoky barbecue. I just want to try it. I know they say fabulous with meat, but I'm going to try it in the rice, you know, experiment. But I'm thinking it will taste nice. I won't put a lot, but I'll put a bit. Then maybe I'll use the rest to season my meat, goat meat also. We'll see how it goes. But that's the main reason I bought this smoky barbecue mix. Okay, and it's $5.99. Yeah, guys, I think that's everything that I bought. I thought there was anything, I thought there was more. But that's all that I bought, and everything is £136.44. That includes tax and delivery. Okay, so that's everything here that I bought. Again, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. You can go to Costco online, but you need to register. Costco is a wholesale, so if you are not registered, if you don't have a card, you can't buy anything from them. So you need to go there first, register, get a card, then you'll be able to shop from there. Okay, you can shop online, you can go, a lot of things are there, they don't deliver it. Some of the stuff I can't buy them online, you have to go there personally to go and buy it. They don't bring it to your house, you have to go. They have other things like egg, chips, frozen food, but you have to go to Costco to go and buy those ones. These are just some of the things they will deliver to your house, but a lot of things they don't deliver to your house. Okay, but if you go there, you can buy all those other stuff there. They have meat, chicken, ready cooked food, cooked chicken and all that you can buy it there. They even have a restaurant in there as well. Yeah, a canteen kind of. So yeah, but these are the ones they normally bring to your house. Majority of the items, they don't deliver them. You have to go and buy them yourself there. Okay guys, so anyway, that's my shopping for today, 16th December 2023. Hope you guys enjoy watching. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.